PulseChain Bridge. What are cross-chain bridges? There are currently more than 125 Layer 1 and 2 blockchains, each offering unique trade-offs, security guarantees, scalability, and more. The dot that connects all the independent blockchains and enables the transfer of assets and communication between them and allows users to access other protocols easily is a cross-chain bridge. Cross-chain bridges work by wrapping tokens in a smart contract and issuing native assets you can use on another chain. For instance, wrapped BTC, WBTC, is an ERC20 token that uses BTC as collateral. In other words, if you send BTC to an address on the Ethereum network, you've sent the wrong token to the wrong network. Therefore, the transaction fails and you lose your funds. The biggest cross-chain bridges in the industry are Binance Bridge, Sealer C Bridge, CrossChain Bridge, Umbria Narni Bridge, Multichain, Wormhole. Before we continue with another bridge of high performance, let's jump to our sponsor, MyCryptoViews Multi-Sender Tool. Are you planning an airdrop for your community, but you've either stumbled upon exorbitant fees on multi-sender or your network is not supported? Welcome to MyCryptoViews Multi-Sender Tool. It allows you to send tokens or NFTs to multiple addresses in one transaction at the lowest industry rates. We support Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Phantom, Avalanche, Moonbeam, and PulseChain, with more EVM-compatible networks in the pipeline. All processing fees from the first year go into PMCV liquidity. PMCV is MyCryptoViews token, MCV, on the PulseChain network. Now, back to where we left off. If you haven't been living under the rock, then you've heard about the biggest crypto airdrop in history, that is PulseChain. PulseChain is the first hard fork of the full system state of Ethereum, which means that PulseChain contains copies of every Ethereum smart contract, token, and user account. Now that all of the tokens you have on the Ethereum blockchain will appear in your PulseChain network, there will be a huge demand from token developers to add liquidity on PulseChain. Similar to other cross-chain bridges, the PulseChain Bridge will initially enable the transfer of assets from the Ethereum to the PulseChain or any other network, thus enabling trading pairs of the same assets. For example, on PulseX DEX, you can trade Chainlink PRC20 against Chainlink ERC20. PulseChain will be more energy efficient, faster, and cheaper than Ethereum. Hence, it's in pole position to seriously challenge other Layer 1s in market cap size. Sign up for more tools and educational crypto topics. MyCryptoView.com.